Welcome back to Jeanie Hair channel. Today's video demonstrates how to wear Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap for finer hair. Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap are a newly patented hairstyling technology provided for supplementing natural hair by adding instantly natural looking, make them stare volume, and gloriously divine length. Installation is quick and easy, and expert help is not required. If you have mild to moderate hair loss, this is your solution. There's no bonding, no sewing, no gluing, and absolutely no expert help needed. Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap are engineered for comfort and security, so in most cases this wouldn't necessarily apply, but the proposed option of adding goodie hair ties during installation will guarantee some added comfort and extra security for ladies with finer hair. Prepare your natural hair by gently combing and smoothing out any kinks, and gather all of your necessary supplies to include 3 goodie hair ties, a comb, a holding clip, and your Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap hairpiece. Section off a generous amount of your hair in the front, parting just behind the hairline from ear to ear. Part and section your hair accordingly and use your goodie hair ties to create 3 pigtails to sit as your base for the hair extensions. As demonstrated, position your Jeanie Hair Insta-Snap hairpiece so that each clip sits on each of your pigtails to create a solid base. Snap the clips in place for security. Reach and secure the soft satin hairband to the back of the nape of your neck, and incorporate the rest of your hair as usual, style as desired. Make sure to use ample hair, ladies. This is absolutely imperative so you have enough hair to cover the wefts. Look how beautifully flat that's laying. That's what I'm talking about. Absolutely natural and beautiful. For ladies with thinner hair, this method will definitely help to increase the comfort of your unit and keep the hair snug and secure to your head. For superior quality Virgin Remy human hair extensions today, visit www.jeaniehair.com. That's www.jeaniehair.com. Thank you for being the very best part of Jeanie Hair.